Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ali Hassan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. I hope that student you are well. I am also well. Today I will discuss about permutation. It's very important chapter for your examination. What do you mean by permutation? Permutation means number of arrangement. Attention please student, permutation means number of arrangement. Each of the different ways of arranging object taking some or all at a time out of given objects is called permutation. I say again student, permutation means number of arrangement and each of the different ways of arranging objects taking some or all at a time out of given object is called permutation. Permutation, it is all things are different. So let ABC, look at the board student, let ABC are three different letters. So we take two different letters, we take two different letters at a time. Now we have AB here, attention please student, here AB, BC and AC, taking two at a time, two different letters taking two at a time. So we can write AB, BC and AC. This is different word. And here BA and CB and CA. Here BA and AB for arrangement. Permutation means number of arrangement. So AB and BA are different arrangement. So BC and CB are different arrangement. AC and CA are different arrangement. So A, B, C are different three letters. Here we take two different letters at a time. Now we can write AB, BC, AC, BA, CB and AC. So total number of word is 6. It is denoted by 3P2 equals to 6. So I say again student, here three different letter taking two at a times. Now it is denoted by 3P2. P is a permutation. So value of 3P2 equals to 6. There are n different type balls in this box. Different balls means here number of black ball 1, number of white ball 1, number of yellow ball 1. So we take r different types balls at a times. Then we can write NPR. Here n and r is a positive integer. N and r is a positive integer. Now we have n greater than equals to r. Value of n is greater than equals to r. NPR means total different number of balls. There are n different balls in this box and we take r different type balls at a time. So we can write NPR. P is a permutation. It is denoted by NPR. Here n and r is a positive integer and here n greater than equals to r. Student, attention please, it is very important condition. NPR total number of things is n and taken r at a times, so it is denoted by npr, number of arrangement npr. Here n and r is a positive integer and here n greater than equals to r. Then we have npr equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. Factorial n, it is two symbol, factorial, or another symbol is here factorial. So this is factorial, another symbol factorial. So student, memorize it. npr equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. So student, another formula here, factorial n. Now take it to the outside of n from factorial, then we can write n into factorial n minus 1. Factorial n equals to n into factorial n minus 1. So student, memorize it. Here npr, what is npr? Total different things n and taken r at a times. Now it is denoted by npr. N and r is a positive integer and n greater than equals to r. Now here n is a, there are n different types of balls and we take r different type taken r at a times. So we can write npr here n greater than equals to r, and npr equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r, and factorial n equals to n into factorial n minus 1. Student, factorial n equals to n factorial n minus 1. Here factorial 1 means 1, factorial 2 means 2 into 1, and factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1, and factorial 4 equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So student, attention please, factorial 4 means 4, 3, 2, 1. Factorial 3 means 3, 2 into 1, and factorial 2 means 2 into 1. Factorial 1 means only 1. Again student, factorial 5 equals to, what is factorial 5? Now using formula, factorial 5 equals to 5 factorial 5 minus 1. This formula, using this formula. Here factorial 5, so take it to the outside of 5 from factorial. So inside of factorial is 5 minus 1. Then we get 5 factorial 4. Now take it to the outside of 4. Then we get 4 minus 1. So 5 into 4 factorial 3. Again take it to the outside of 3. So inside 3 minus 1, 5, 4, 3 factorial 2. Again take it to the outside of 2 from factorial, then inside will be 2 minus 1. Now using formula, using this formula, so 5, 4, 3, 2 factorial 1. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, factorial 4, factorial 3, factorial 2, factorial 1. So we get student factorial 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, factorial 5 equals to 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1. I say again student, factorial 1 means 1. Factorial 2, 2 into 1. Factorial 3, 3, 2 into 1. And factorial 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. And factorial 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up to so on. Just using factorial n into n factorial n minus 1. So we have factorial 1, factorial 2, factorial 3, factorial 4, factorial 5, etc. And a special case, we know that factorial 0 equals to 1. This is important condition. Factorial 0 equals to 1. Special case, factorial 0 equals to 1. So student, memorize it. Factorial 0 equals to 1. And now formula NPR equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. I hope that student you are clear. Now we find important values. Here we know that NPR equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. This is formula. So using this formula, now we find important values NPN and NP0. So look at the board, student. Here NPN, NPN. So using formula factorial n and here factorial n minus n, because here r equals to n. So using NPR, this formula, so NPN equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. R means n, replacing r equals to n. So student, look at the board. Here factorial n by factorial 0. We know that factorial 0 means 1. Now we have value of NPN equals to factorial n. NPN equals to factorial n. So NPN we can write factorial n. Similarly, we have 8p8 equals to factorial 8. Again, another example, 7p7 equals to factorial 7. And another example, 5p5 equals to factorial 5. And 6p6 equals to factorial 6. I hope that student you were clear. Similarly, now find the value of NP0. So NP0, here NP0 equals to NP0. Now using this formula, here r equals to 0, factorial n by factorial n minus r. R means factorial 0. So student, here factorial n by factorial n cancel. So NP0, value of NP0 equals to 1. So value of NP0 equals to 1. Student, here NP0 using formula NPR. So we can write factorial n by factorial n minus r. R means 0. So factorial n by factorial n and factorial n is cancelled. So value of NP0 equals to 1. Similarly, we can write 8p0 equals to 1. 7p0 equals to 1. 6p0 equals to 1. And 5p0 equals to 1. So similarly up to so on. So student, attention please. NP0 equals to 1. Similarly 8p0 equals to 1. 7p0 equals to 1. 6p0 equals to 1. 5p0 equals to 1, etc. I hope that student you are clear. For example, student, here A, B, C, D are different 4 letters. Here let A, B, C, D are 4 different letters. Now we take 3 different letter at a time. So we have number of arrangement. It is denoted by the number of arrangement. Arrangement means permutation. Arrangement equals to Here total different letters 4 taken 3 at a time. So it is denoted by 4p3. Attention please student. Here A, B, C, D are 4 different letters. Now we take 3 different letters at a time. Then we can write 4p3. Here total number of letters 4 and taken 3 at a time. So it is denoted by 4p3. Now using formula NPR. Here n is 4 factorial 4 by n minus r. R means factor 4 minus 3 equals to factorial 4 by factorial 1. So student, factorial 4 means 4, 3, 2 into 1 equals to 24. So result will be 24. So the number of arrangement 24. I hope that student you are clear. All things are different. It is all things are different. Here A, B, C, D are different 4 letters and we take 3 different letters at a time. So result will be number of arrangement or number of word is 24. I hope that student you are clear. Student, look at the board. Another example. Here how many different arrangement or different permutations could be formed by taking all the letters of the word equation. Taking all at a time. Word equation. So student, attention please. Here the word equation consists of 8 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 letters. All letters are different. So required number of arrangement. So required number of permutation or arrangement is here equation. Here 8 different letter. So taking all at a time means here n equals to 8 and r equals to 8. So we can write number of permutation or number of arrangement is 8p8. 8p8. Now using formula NPR. Here n equals to 8 and r equals to 8. So we can write factorial n. Factorial n means factorial 8 by n minus r. R means 8. So we can write factorial 8 by factorial 0 equals to factorial 8. Factorial 8 means 8, 7, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So student, factorial 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 or using calculator. So we have result will be 40320. So answer will be required number of permutation or number of arrangement or number of word is 40320. I hope that student you are clear. Another example. Student, how many different arrangement could be formed by taking all the letters of the word article? All the words article. So student, here the word article consists of 7 letters, 7 different letters. All things are different. Here 7 different letter. Here 7 different letter. Now taking all at a times. So the number of arrangement. So the required number of permutation or number of words or number of arrangement, number of permutation or number of arrangement, permutation or number of word equals to here different 7 letter, different 7 letters. So value of n is 7 and taking all at a time. So here value of r is 7. So we can write 7p7. Student, I hope that you are clear. It is value of n equals to 7, total number of letters, different letters 7, different, it is very very important word, different letters, and taken all at a time means 7 at a times. Now we have 7p7, then using formula npr, here n is 7 and factorial n by factorial n minus r means 7. So factorial 7 by factorial 0 equals to factorial 7 by 1. So factorial 7. We have factorial 7 means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So result will be 5040. 5040. So using calculator, student, here factorial 7 is 5040. I hope that student you are clear. This is all things are different. All things are different. So using formula npr equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. Look at the board. Permutations of things not all different. Not all things are not different. Permutations of things not all different. So look at the board, student. Let there are 20 balls in this box. Here two red ball and three black ball. 2 red ball and 3 black ball. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is yellow ball or white ball. So student, attention please. Here there are 20 balls in this box. Here 2 red ball, 3 black ball and 5 white ball. 2, 3, 5, 5, 10 and others ball is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are different ball. So all balls are not different. So student, what is the permutation? What is the arrangement? How many arrangement? So arrangement, it is factorial 20. Total number of balls factorial 20 by same balls factorial, it is 2 red ball, so divided by factorial 2 and same 3 black ball, same color balls, so factorial 3 means 3 black ball and white ball, 5 white ball, so factorial divided by 5 white ball. So this is answer. So total number of arrangement factorial 20, total number of balls is 20 and same ball red 2 balls, so divided by factorial 2. Here black 3 balls, so divided by factorial 3 and 5 white balls, so divided by factorial 5. So using formula then we have result. I hope that student you are clear. It is important things, permutation of things not all different. Not all different. All things are not different. I say again another example, student. Here there are n balls in this box. Here Pj same ball, P red ball and Q is a black ball. Here red ball and black ball and R is a white ball, and another balls is different color balls. Here P is a same color red ball, Q is a same black ball, and R is a white ball. So how many arrangement or how many permutation? So required permutation, total number of balls is factorial n, and red ball, same color red ball, P, number of P, so factorial divided by factorial P, black ball factorial Q, and white ball is R, so factorial R. This is a result. This is formula. This is all things are not different, so using this formula. I hope that student you are clear. For example, all things are not different, so student look at the board. Here how many different arrangement could be formed by taking all the letters of the word college, So student, here the word college consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 letters. 7 letters which college 2 are L's and 2 are E's. So student, here 2 are L and 2 are E's. So all letters are not different. So student, now required number of arrangement, required number of word or arrangement, number of words or arrangement or permutation arrangement equals to, here total number of letter is 7, so factorial 7, and which 2 are L, so divided by factorial 2 because L 2 are L, and divided by factorial 2 because 2 are E, so student, here factorial 7 by factorial 2 by factorial 2. Now using calculator, so 7 means 5040 by factorial 2 into 2, so result will be 5040. So using calculator, 5040 by 4 equals to 1260. So result will be 1260. So student, I hope that you are clear. Attention please. Here I say again, college, this word, here 2 are L's and 2 are E's, same letters. So all letters are not different. So using formula factorial 7, total number of letters is 7. So factorial 7 by here 2 are L, which 2 are L, so divided by factorial 2, and 2 are E's, so factorial 2. So result will be 1260. I hope that student you are clear. Student, another example for all things are not different. So attention please, student, look at the board. How many different arrangement could be formed by taking all the letters of the word America, of the word America? So the word America consists of 7 letters, and which 2 are A's. So all things are not different. America, here total number of letters 7, but here 2 are A's. So all letters are not different. So required number of arrangement. So required number of number of arrangement or permutation or number of word arrangements equals to factorial 7 by divided by, here 2 are a's, so divided by factorial 2. So using calculator, 5040 by 2 equals to 2520. 2520. So all things are not different. So I hope that student you are clear. Student, memorize it. What do we mean by permutation and formula NPR? We know that NPR equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. Here n and r are positive integer and n is greater than equals to r. So NPR equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r. So I hope that student you are clear. So see you again next class. Allah Hafiz.